Three, two, one. Welcome back, guys. So let's do the daily review right here, and there is some modification in the plan. So road to $1 million, maybe no modifications, no. So let's do that. In this daily review, we're just going to go and read what our actual plans. The yearly goal got divided. There is a I have set the yearly goals. That yearly goal got divided into quarterly goals. That quarterly goal got divided into the monthly goal. That monthly goal got divided into the weekly goal. That weekly goal got divided into the daily goal, and that daily goal got divided into the schedule. So we are just going to rewind and recheck every single thing, that are we on a track of the plan on track, whatever it is. Are we moving as per we wanted, as per plan? Let's see. This is our Google map. We're just checking are we on a correct track or not. So let's do it. Road to $1 million, every single thing works on a system. Either you build your own system for every single thing, or get hired to work on someone else's system, which is right now is a job which is I fucking hate the most. That is why I'm moving out of my job to get full-fledged trader pretty soon. So the highlights of this: when we are going to quit the job and become full-time trader on 23rd August 2026, within just 35 days. Cool. We'll quit the job and shift to full-time trading again. When we are going to go come there is insect gone. Fuck, there is insect gone inside my pack. When we are going to come back to break even on 16th of August 2026, within 28 days, we are going to come back. We'll come back to break even on our $100,000 account, funded account. When we are going to go to New York on 1 November 2026, within just 105 days, we'll travel to New York. There's something right here. When we are going to start making $1,000 at least from 23rd August 2026, within 35 days, we'll start making $1,000 at least. This is the highlight. So let's go in a yearly schedule. This is how the end of the year looks like. This is how the end of the year looks like. At the end of the year 2026, I will be making at least $10,000 per month. At least, man, there is a Daker. Gases are coming from my mouth. It's good gases, it's not like smelly gases. What the fuck, what I'm talking, eh? So, second thing, we will be the output of 2026 will looks like we will be shifted in New York and will be started managing $1.2 million plus in funding. This needs to be done. Now this goal got divided into the quarterly. Quarter 1 got over, quarter 2 got over, quarter 3 is ongoing, the comeback season. This is the goal of the quarter 3. So goal will not, we will just go back. This whole goal got divided into the monthly goals. So we'll look for the July monthly goal. So let's click on the month. Let's click on the July month. This is how the goal looks like. Having the trading software for analyzing and taking the trade for each type of market conditions, which is what we're currently working on. Will be finished 28 analysis lectures. Will be started backtesting from November 2025 till now, which is 2026. Using a trading software. So actually till now using a trading software. Will be backtesting of November 2025 will get finished. It will be started growing, and $20 into $8,000 challenge at the end of the July month will be growing at $20 into $1,620. Crazy, right? So now this July goal is all of this. So now this goal got divided into the weekly goal, which in fact, let's go over here. So this is a weekly dividation goal. But if we click on this, the first week is over and we successfully achieved the goal. Second week is ongoing, 13th to 19th of the July. Today is the 19th of the July, which is the end of the week 2. So this is how the output of the July month looks like. 13 to 19 July week look like. So we'll be finishing it. 16 to 22 lecture will get finished of 28 analysis videos. Well, how much? Let's see. So now 16 to 22. So now this is a weekly goal, and also we'll be growing $60 to $180. Have we finished this? No, we haven't got the trades, but I'm working on the intraday trading. I want to tell you one thing. This is going to change my life. I am going to, in fact, give you in return note. Thing which I'm working on is going to change my life, and it's going to finish today. It's not going to take a lot more time right there. So pretty soon we'll be coming back. This goal will get at you pretty soon in the next week. So 16 to 22 lectures will get finished of 28 ounces videos. So let's see. So now this is the weekly goal. Now this weekly goal got divided into the daily goals over here. So let's see how we finish this goal 16 to 22 lecture. So this is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 lecture is ongoing. That means this is a today's task. I just won't be able to speak, man. It's so hard to speak. I think so. My throat got swollen because of the sardi, cold. So 22 lecture is currently ongoing, which is we are right now as per plan, which is today's 19th of July. For today, 22 lecture is scheduled, and pretty much there is a plan updation that this is I'm going to do it tomorrow because I want to finalize the intraday trading thing that needs to be done. So yeah, so this is what we are going on a weekly basis as per plan. So now let's go as a daily basis. Daily basis we are also going as per plan. So let's see. Let's actually see over here. Shouldn't be seen that. So let's see. Let's ask. Have we finished the yesterday tasks? Complete spelling wrongs. Alright, so have we finished the yesterday task? Let's see. Let's go and let's see have we finished the yesterday task or not. So yesterday was the 18th of July. Yesterday we have scheduled a 21st lecture. We have finished that. Look at this, it was done. We have successfully finished that. That means we are on a track. So we'll just type it over here. Have you finished the yesterday's task? The answer is yes. That is it. If the answer is yes, that means we are on the right track. We are moving as per plan. This is what we want. If we just do whatever we are doing right now, we'll be end up into the New York. Right, this man. This is crazy. Recently I'm just getting attracted a lot from the New York. I'm going to be celebrating my birthday in New York on a 25th November 2026 in a Central Park, in middle of the Central Park with all of the friends. I'm going to make the friends a lot there. Trust me, I'm going to a lot. I'm just watching my video. I look good, a lot good. Alright boys, this is a daily review. This is a summary of the daily review is, have we done the yesterday's task? The answer is yes. Second question is, are we moving as per plan? The answer is yes. That is what we want. That is what in fact that is why this is created. This is all the things. Alright boys, this is the end of the daily schedule. We will be back tomorrow's day. Peace. I'm not going to do this task today because I have the strategy need to be get clear today. This is it. Signing off boys. We'll meet tomorrow.